It's that time of year again, and it just started to rain. Crank her up! I gotta wait for the oil pressure to build, and then I'll get some fuel pump pressure. Electric fuel pump right there. Ah, rain, rain, go away. Who needs the rain on this late spring day? Crank her up! I'm gonna drive it next door and drop the motor and tranny and differential power pack and put a clutch in. Electric fuel pump. Crank her up! Crank her up! Fuel pump's still pumping. Do I have any fuel? Oh! Hear the tone change. I'm gonna turn on the lights. Crank her up! Come on, baby! Smell the gas. Come on. Crank that baby up. Crank her up! Smell fuel. Yeah, sure smell it. Got my neighbor waiting to pick up the van, and I'm dicking around here with a no start. There goes the washer. Close the choke. 4-barrel. More fuel. More fuel. More choke. Crank her up! Oh. Oh, a little bit of thunder too. Very nice. Thunder and lightning. Oh yeah. What am I going to use to hold that closed? Old brake hose? Yeah, sorry. There. Old brake hose. The old pirouetting brake hose trick. And it's coming down. Perfect timing. Just when I want to play with my toys. Crank her up! Huh. Should have started. Junk. what's wrong. Rather drive it than pull it in the rain. Choke's closed, now it's flooded. Rust. There comes a tenant. Blocking my highway. Perfect. Can't go anywhere anyways. She won't crank up. I wonder what's wrong. Flooded. Plugs shouldn't be foul. They drove it in here 8 months ago. Long winters. Who needs those stinking winters? Lots of gas. Do I have spark? Sometimes I pull the plugs off a wee bit and the spark jumps. Big gap. Bigger gap. Hotter spark. Had this happen a couple of years ago. Took out the spark plugs and I stripped 2 of them. Nice, huh? Can't get to that one. There. Will that change anything? Who knows? Who knows? Nobody here to help. My friend's right next door, right there. Dead in the water. This one would fire right up, I know that. This one? Who knows? Who knows what's wrong? Maybe we'll go to motor vehicle, get some paperwork done, and come back and deal with this piece of crap later. Junk. Usually it fires right up. Junk. Oh well. We tried. I'll just tow it over. Gonna pull the motor anyways. It's depressing.